Hey, what's up? This is an older video of mine where I have a newish FUJIFILM X100T that I am testing the eye sensor on. You can see it's actually working here. And then to my left, which you can't see yet, there we go, is an X100T that does not have a working eye sensor. And so I show you how to test this one where it just does not work. So you have to change the view mode so that it says eye sensor, and once you do that, you put your finger over the eye sensor to the right there where my finger is covering, and you can see it's just not working. So this is how you test to tell whether or not the eye sensor is working. Unfortunately, with some of these older cameras, they just don't work anymore, and sometimes little things like this break. So anyway, I hope this video helps you out in figuring out how to test whether or not your eye sensor works. And jump back to the beginning of the video if you need to see a working example on the black version. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.